What is the goal when you are looking to trade, right? Wouldn't we say that the goal, whether you're trading personal capital or you're trading prop firms, is to make money? So if that's the sole focus that 99.999% of us traders are focusing on, we're always focusing on that outcome of if we can make this much money, if we can get a payout, if we can do this, I'm going to be successful. If I can do this, I'm going to be able to quit my job. But why is it that a lot of times we make money and we still continue to trade? Case in point, let's say, for example, first 2 hours of the market is open. You took 1 to 2 trades, 1 to 3 trades. You won one trade, you lost a trade, then you won another trade. You're up $200. Okay, just give you guys a fictitious, just a narrative here, a little bit of an example. Why is it that you're continuing to sit there through lunchtime, in the early afternoon, and still continuing to take trades? Why is it that you're not okay with walking away? Because to me, it sounds like a personal problem. And don't get me wrong, I can raise my hand. I've been there. I've been here from market open, pre-market actually, all the way up until the closing bell, still looking for that opportunity within 10 minutes left of the close. But that was years ago. I came to a realization a long time ago that my trade time is 9:30 Eastern time, New York open, till around 11 o'clock, 11:30. You know, sometimes I'll get on, I'll do a live stream, I'll play some micros, maybe in an evaluation account, or maybe it's a funded account that balance is way up, but, you know, trading 1 or 2 micro contracts where I know I'm not going to lose anything from the day. But I have no reason to trade. I have data that tells me that I am the best performing trader to myself within the first 1 to 2 hours of the market. The later on in the day that it goes, even if I'm green, I tend to give a lot of money back. The more trades I take, the more open I am to leaving that probability door to more losing trades. Which years ago led me to kind of come to the realization of, if my whole goal is to come into this market and try to make money, because we can make a lot of money very quickly. We don't have to report to a 9 to 5. Hell, we don't have to work 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours a day. We don't have to put in overtime. You can literally come into the market, find a setup that aligns with your strategy, make money within the first 20 minutes of the market, sometimes the first 5 minutes of the market, a lot of times within the first hour to 2 hours of the market. We need to, as traders, especially if you're trading prop firms, where the whole goal is to show consistency, to have trade days under your belt, to build account balances. With all of the firms in the space, you can have 20 accounts with Apex. You can have 5 accounts with Take Profit Trader, 5 accounts with Top Step. I don't know how many with Bullnox. You know, you've got the instant funding ones. You can have 20 on one and 5 on another. I don't know. There's so many different firms out there. If you realistically wanted to, you can probably have 40, 50, 60 accounts under your name. So why is it that we can't pull ourselves from the screens? A lot of you traders out there need a hobby, okay? And you're treating trading as a hobby, right? What is a hobby? Something you do on your spare time, something you do for fun, something that you enjoy doing, right? Many of you guys enjoy trading, but you're treating this as if it's a hobby and not a business. If the whole goal in business is to have a great return on investment, whether that be time or investments into whatever it is that you're selling or promoting or doing, in this case it's trading, why would we want to overspend, right? Meaning overspend time, overspend energy, overspend equity. Guys, we need to get more into the mindset. If you have a strategy, or you have certain levels on your chart, or you trade some type of form of supply and demand, and you get that one particular setup and you put on that trade and you make money, regardless of the dollar amount, you should probably walk away, because truth be told, your job is finished. Now, unless you're some type of quant trader, some hyper scalper that's looking for a few ticks here, playing the spread, 1 point here, 2 points here, and you have some fully automated trading bot system, which is not 99.9999% of you guys. You're just an average retail trader like myself, whether you're in a home office trading from work, trading from the phone, trading from the job site, trading from wherever, right? Using a laptop, using your phone, using an iPad, using your PC. You're a retail trader. And the whole idea and the goal of a retail trader is to come in and make money. The point of this video is to maybe light a spark, okay? Light a spark under your ass that maybe gets you to think about cutting your trade count down 50, 60, 70%. If you're taking 5 trades right now, try to take 3. If you're taking 10 trades a day, try to take 5. If you normally find 2 setups a day, find 1 winner and call it a day. And to all of you other guys out there and gals who are falling into the hamster wheel effect of the average retail trader, which is, again, close to 90% of retail traders, where they make a little money, give it back, they get a payout, they go months without getting a payout, is to build consistency. And the consistency is in finding your opportunity in the market, whether that be once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day, and not trading anymore. You've done your job. Now, I get it. Some of you guys are not risking a lot. For example, if you're trading the NQ and let's say you're trading 2 or 3 micro contracts and you take 10 points out of the market. Sure, maybe it's a $30 win. Okay, maybe it's a $20 win. Maybe it's a $50 win. It's not good enough, right? In your head, you have decided that it's not good enough because you're telling yourself, well, if I was trading a normal job, even minimum wage, I'd be making, well over $100 a day. So why would I stop trading when I'm only up $30? Well, the easy answer to that is having more accounts. So if you have 5 accounts and you made $30 a day, you're up at $150. Okay, that's an average wage. So the idea is not to take more trades, it's to make money and walk away. And actually owning that and be comfortable with that and be calm enough to say, I did my job. Like, for example, today I took 2 trades, a 30-minute opening range, right? I waited for 30 minutes to close, that 30-minute candle to close. I took the opening range short on the breakdown, and I waited for a bounce opportunity. So we kind of came down and swept the lows. And then once I seen us start to, pick up speed, you can see here on the chart, this candle here, we started to pick up speed and really start to push back over 10-day moving average, got back into this channel. Well, I took my next setup here and I took a bounce. And I took 1 more scalp and I called it a day. Okay, that was it. I missed out on 80 points of the bounce today, but that's okay. That wasn't my money. I was never expecting the market to bottom out and rally 100 plus points. I was never expecting a 100-point decline on this one candle. That's not what I was looking for. I was looking for my setup to take my take profit, what I normally take, make money because that's the goal, and come back tomorrow and do it again. That allows me to lay my head down at night tonight and sleep comfortably. It allows me not to think about the stupid mistakes that I made today. And I've been there. I've made these stupid mistakes. I've taken 2, 3, 4 trades, all winners. And I'm still sitting here in the late afternoon. I take 1 trade, I wipe away 2, 3 winning trades. And now I'm essentially just a little bit over flat. And that next trade puts me over the edge. And I've lost it all time and time again, especially with the prop firms, because there's not a whole lot of financial investment that goes into them because they're so cheap. Your mind can get carried away and you can start doing stupid things. So what's worked best for me is 1 and done, 2 and done, and I'm out, right? 2, 3 trades max, make some money, move along. And whether that's moving along into a new account or that's moving along into something else, but what I will tell you guys right now is focus on yourself first, your mental and your physical health, regardless of age. You guys, you can be 75, 85 years old. You still need to take care of this, and you need to take care of what's in here, okay? That's mentally and physically, because if we're not taking care of these 2 things, Doesn't matter what's going on the charts, you're never going to see the markets clearly, okay? And even if you are confined, right? Because again, everyone's in a different state. Even if you're confined to a bed and you're not the most physical person anymore, there's other mental hobbies that you can stimulate your brain with, whether that be, you know, anything out there, guys. You know, reading books, or, you know, watching a movie with your spouse or your partner, significant other, children, whatever, right? Dog, cats. But we've got to take our minds off of this. We've got to take our minds off what's going on here and switch the light bulb to thinking, I don't need to take more trades to make more money. I need to protect what I've already done. Get into the habit, 1-2 trades, you're out. And make it okay where you can walk away. Guys, a lot of you guys want to sit on social media, or you want to sit in Discord rooms, or you want to sit on YouTube and comment and read price all day and make your assumptions on what could happen and what could. Nobody cares. At the end of the day, nobody really cares. Enjoy your life. Trade for the freedom of time, not because you want to work 9 to 5, 12 hours a day, 10 hours a day. You know, nobody needs to do that. You don't have to do that to be a consistent trader. What you need to do to be a consistent trader is have a set of rules, manage risk properly, and focus on getting those days logged in where you came into the market, you've seen your setup, you've respected your rules. Great, it's over. Come back tomorrow. Great, that's over. Come back day 3. Great, it's over. Come back day 4. The same thing each and every single day. Not one day take 20 trades, the other day take 5. Not one day take 1 trade, the next day take 10. Same thing each and every single day. Not one day risk $250 a trade, the next day risk 1,000. Not have 4 or 5 winning days in a row and allow 1 loss on a Friday to spiral and give away all your week's gains. You know you've done this before and you're wondering how to fix it. The answer is very simple. It starts with you and actually having the discipline and the mental strength. Now, sometimes we need a coach. Sometimes we need a team, a trading group, community. I'm in big favor, and it's not just my community. There's 1,000 other great communities out there with really good people in them. Okay, this is a big world. Millions and millions and billions of people out there. Find people who you get along with, who you can relate to, who can hold you accountable in your trading career. I hope this video finds you well. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you'd like to join Evolution Traders, that link is down in the description box. If you guys need more Apex accounts, also 80% off with $85 activation fees right now. Got about 6 days left on this sale. Make sure to load up on those accounts. Use my link. You can use code SAVE80 as long as you use that link that's down in the description box below with Apex Trader Funding. I'll see all of you guys on the next video.